Selecting an object means setting it as the new target for whatever function users wish to perform. The name of the currently selected object is displayed in the top left corner of the screen, along with its distance from the observer and its radius. Users can select any named object. An object can be selected through the mouse, the left toolbar, or through two alternate methods. To use the mouse, left-click the object. This does not work for sensors and observations. To use the left toolbar, click the search icon, type in the name of the object, and click Select. The two alternate methods to select an object are to show the object's properties and to show the object's description. Any of these two functions automatically selects the object as a side result. More details can be seen in the Object Functions section of the user's guide.